welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another product review, and the product that I'm going to review is this one, guys. It is from TRESemme, and it is a deep smooth hair mask, and I've been using this product now, guys, for many months now, and this is my second bottle. That's why I'm going to share with you my hair mask, and I'm also going to make a review about this product, and I'm also going to show you guys the before I use the product. Before and after product. I use it in the morning, and then yeah, so you can see also the result of this hair mask. You know my video, and yeah, I usually use this one, guys, once or twice a week, and yeah, so please enjoy the video, guys, and yeah. So hi guys, so I'm about to go to bath now, but yeah, I'm going to use this one. This is TRESemme, right? And but before that, I still need to put shampoo in my hair, to wash my hair, put shampoo and conditioner. And after conditioner, I'm going to apply this one, and it will. So as you can see, my hair, I already put conditioner. Shampoo my hair. So, and I will just put on the hair mask and let it stay for 5 minutes, guys. I did not put yet, so I'm going to show you how to put it just quickly. Cold. So can you see, guys, my hair is very dry and so comfy right now. So I'm going to put now this TRESemme, and this is how it looks inside, and it smells very good, guys. So creamy also. So I focus more here, and then in the ends I focus more in the hair ends, guys. Let my hair stay for the mask work for like 5 minutes, and see you guys when I wash it. So I didn't know, guys. So I did not know that it's so hard to film while bathing or doing the hair mask, and I will not do it again. It's too cold. But yeah, so see you in 5 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm fresh from bath, and my hair is kind of dry now because of the towel. Transferred this, and as you can see, oops, but it's still kind of wet. But it's not dripping wet, but it's still wet. So I'm just going to blow dry it and make the review afterwards. So hi guys, so I'm done now. My hair is dry and fresh and so soft, supple. I can feel it so supple, guys. And the smell is very good, guys. It's so fresh, and I love the smell. Or when it's a hair mask, I always go for the smell, because I love it when it smells so good. And saying right now is based on my experiences about this product. So I've used 2 bottles of this already. So I've been using it since last year, and yeah, so I just think of reviewing this product. So as you can see, it's so soft, supple, tame, and it's straight, guys. As you can see, as compared to the one when I just woke up, and my hair is really like so frizzy, and right now it's so fresh. And yeah, and plus the smell is so good, guys. And this one is not that expensive also. The price is affordable, and you can buy it in any stores, I think. And it's 300 ml, so I only use that one sometimes once a week or twice a week, guys. You can feel it also when your hair really needs so much care. Because especially mine, it's always drying, but you can feel it, and that's the time. But whenever I feel it, that's the time I'll put the hair mask. But yeah, so I'm not sure if you have tried this one, guys, so please let me know in the comment section below. I love this one. This is the one. It has keratin smooth formula, and it gives you really your hair nice and brightness. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you guys. I'm doing more product review this week, guys, and so if you have maybe suggestion what product should I review, or if you have any request about products that I should try or make a review, please put it down in the comment section below, guys. Love to hear from you, and I might do it also if you have some suggestion. So in the comment section below. And if you like this video also, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have a new upload. So thank you for the support, everyone. Team as well, thank you so much, and to all the team, to all the supporters out there. Thank you so much. Thank you for viewing my videos also, and love lots. Meow meow. Bye. Guys, welcome back to another. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh wait, shucks. Now, so it's time for me to. This is my second. This is my second battle with this product. It's already evening, guys, right? So I'm going to show you also. I'm also going.